Hello everyone. Now, in assembly language programming, we have seen various programs of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and even the number of uh, the program of even and odd numbers. But in all these programs, we have taken the input in the data segment itself. Now, in this particular program of assembly language programming, we will see that how to take the input from the user, and we will take one example of subtracting one number from another number, and this particular process will be applicable to all the other programs that we have done. So let's begin with, I have started the emulator, and now I am creating an empty workspace here. So I'm starting writing the program. So first of all, I am taking data segment. Now here I am taking a variable message1 whose data type is defined byte, and I am taking a function 10 comma 13 for a new line. So I am taking another symbol of dollar over here and writing finally a semicolon. Now I am taking another message 2, and I am using the similar symbol over here. So enter the first number, then enter the second number to subtract, and once again I'm taking the message 3 over here, which will give us the result. And in all the three different messages, I'm taking a separate dollar symbol in single quotation, which is again used for coming to a new line. Now with this, I will actually end the data segment. Now I will start with a regular code segment where I need to write a logic for my program, and yes, of course, we will write a comment over here that subtracting off one number from another, taking the input from the user. So now I have started writing the code segment, and you know that what are the basic things that we are writing at the start of the code segment that we have already studied in the previous videos. So yes, now I will initialize the data segment. X. Now I'm using a new instruction over here, is that LEA. So LEA instruction stands for load effective address. So this is used for displaying the messages on the output screen. So message 1. Now here we will use a function move h comma 09h, which is under a family of int21h. So what this particular 3 lines of code will going to do, they will going to display the message 1, that is enter the first number, and this move h comma 09h is the function. Through with the help of that we will display the message 1 on the output screen. Now once you have entered the number, so user have entered the number, so what we will going to do is move ah comma 01h. So this is actually for, this is again under the family of int21h. So this is for actually scanning the number which the user have entered. So user will of course going to enter a decimal number. So that decimal number for processing purpose inside the uh, emulator or the assembler, we need to convert that number into hexadecimal, because the operations will going to happen in the hexadecimal, and for that purpose we are using an instruction sub al comma 30h, which will going to convert the number from decimal to hexadecimal. And now I am moving that number into some another register. Now this particular process I am repeating for message number 2. So you can see over here that load effective address of dx comma message 2 I am writing here, and again I'm scanning the number, and again I'm using the similar instruction, and now this particular number I am moving into some another register. So you can see that the first number is moved into bh, the second number is moved into ah. Now we will subtract the second number from the first number using the instruction sub bh comma ah, because h is containing the second number and bh is containing the first number. Now once we will subtract a hexadecimal number from another hexadecimal number, so we will need an output in the decimal form. So what we will do over here is that we will add bh, because the result is available in the bh with the fixed value 30h, and now mm, finally my result is ready, and as my result is ready, Now I will use the uh, I will display the third message first. I'm using the same function. Now after displaying the message, what I will do, I will move inside the DL the contents of BH, because the result is available in the BH register, because the DL is the destination register in which I am supposed to move the result. And finally, to display the contents of DL, I will write move AH comma 0 to H, which we have already learned in the previous videos, which is again under the family of int21H. And now I will finally return the control to operating system. And here I will end with the code. And now I will compile this particular program and I will run this program. So let's see what output we get. So it's asking me enter the first number, so I'm entering a number first, and now it is asking me the second number. So yes, this is the result of subtraction, that after subtracting the number 2 from 5, we are getting the result 3. So this is how by taking the input from the user, we can subtract one number from another number, and the instructions and the functions that we have taken, we have used in this particular program, can be used in all the different programs for taking the input from the user.